Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you my new AirPods, wireless AirPods I12. This is my AirPods. Today I am going to unboxing it. This is that cover of AirPods. Inside there is AirPods. From here we have to put charger cable. This is the charger and this is the manual. So now I will on from here. See, blue light is coming. Here that all the purple and pink, red and blue lights will come. This is one. This is another one. Now we have to take one mobile and we have to open Bluetooth and connect it. The name of this AirPods is I12. That's why here also I12 is coming. So I will connect it from here. This is the touch screen. From here we have to connect it. You have to press it, and if we'll put in the ear, then some voice will come. After that we have to do little bit voice. And the special note is that when we'll put this charger inside here, so that time we have to know these AirPods are there, that we should not put inside here, or else that will be destroyed. That's why we don't have to put that. That time we have to take out that, and in 40 minutes this box will be charged. After that we have to take out. You might thinking that how this AirPods will be charged. So when this box will be charged, after that 15 minutes we have to put this two speaker inside this box. After that the speakers will also be, this AirPods will be charged, and 50% will go in this box and 50% will go in these two AirPods. So now I will show you a demo of that. Now if any call is coming, so we have to press in from this any two AirPods, we have to press here, and here is the touch screen. Here we have to press, then only all can be happen. Touch here, and if you will touch 2 times in left one's AirPod, that time if you will put 2 times, then the volume will be decrease. So from left ear AirPods, the volume will be decrease. So after that, if 5 seconds, if you want to close the AirPods, so till 5 seconds we have to touch here. After that they will say that AirPods are off, like that. Then this AirPods, if from Bluetooth it will connect from here till 10 meter distance, it will be connected from here. Where also if we are going, so if we are going till 10 meter distance like that, so it will be connected. But if it is being 11 distance or 12 distance meter, so it will not be connected. The Bluetooth will be disconnected. So I will put a song, so that voice will come from here. Now the song will come. From here we have to increase the volume. To increase the volume, so in right side here this button will be there. There we have to touch 2 times. After that the volume will be increased. So now I will show you a demo of this speaker. From this speaker the voice is coming from here. So from here, if you will connect the Bluetooth, then only the voice will come from here out. So this 2-year warranty is also there for I12 AirPods. If we are putting till 2 seconds, if we are touching this big line, so that Google Assistant will speak. This line is important. From this all the function can be operated. Now see, I will show you from here. I will open that. See, now if here we are touching this big line, so from here that Google Assistant will say. So this line is so main. Okay. I12 AirPods, I am packing it back. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and you understood. So thank you, and like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Renasamo Vlogs.